Getting a OnePlus 7 Pro? Question is, what color? Find out right now. Welcome, I'm Techzilla, and I was lucky enough to attend the OnePlus launch and get hands-on with every color option available of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So today I will be comparing the different colors of the OnePlus 7 Pro to help you decide which one you should buy. First off, let's tackle the most subtle and underrated option, the mirror grey. In my honest opinion, I really like this option because in person it looks much better than on camera. The grey back glass has a deep luster which shifts from almost black to a smoky grey, which slightly bends the light subtly. It is a very glossy finish as expected, which is the usual you find with glass back devices. The metal frame sandwiched in between the screen and the back panel is also glossy and is finished in a almost dark chrome which looks very classy and sleek, and the antenna bands are in a dark grey colour, almost gunmetal like. The mirror grey is the choice for anyone looking for understated, classy and subtle, in my honest opinion, and comes in either the 6 or 8GB RAM variants, but not the 12GB version. The next colour option is the most popular, the Nebula Blue. This is probably the most eye-catching of the colours. The back has a two-tone colour gradient which starts off with a lighter blue that graduates up to a dark, almost black blue. The finish, unlike the mirror grey, is a matte texture, meaning it's not glossy but instead more like a satin finish, which doesn't show fingerprints like the glossy glass finishes of most other smartphones. It also gives the back an almost laser-like effect, the way it reflects the light and bends the blue undertone. Personally, this is my favourite colour option, but be aware that the finish I find to be more slippery than glossy counterparts. The frame is also a two-tone finish. At the bottom it starts off with a light blue chrome looking finish, very shiny and reflective, but as the frame rises up towards the top of the OnePlus 7 Pro it becomes much darker, almost black, and it is very subtle the way it has been achieved. This colour option only comes in the 8 or 12GB RAM versions and also the OnePlus 5G model. On to the final colour option for the OnePlus 7 Pro, the Almond. Again, like the mirror grey, this one has a glossy shiny back. I would say it almost looks the same as the gold iPhone XS Max, but this is lighter in colour, a kind of beige tone. But when you move it in certain lights, it shows a subtle pearlescent, almost ivory colour, which is beautiful. Being a lighter tone ensures fingerprints are less likely to be seen, and it is a real stunner. The metal frame is finished in a glossy gold colour, which looks like a much richer tone than the glass back. It really does add a finishing touch to the overall colour of the phone by giving it a rich complementary framing tone. Definitely a different option compared to previous OnePlus devices and worthy of your consideration. Be aware this colour is only available in one variant of 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. So there you have it, the current colour options available for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you're looking to pick up one of these colour variants, then use my link in the description below to get money off any accessories you buy with the OnePlus 7 Pro or OnePlus 7, including the Bullets Wireless 2. So which is your favourite colour and why? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, my favourite is the Nebula Blue because of the matte finish on the glass back and the way it plays with the light. I will be making loads more videos about the OnePlus 7 Pro, including accessories, screen protectors, cases, and comparisons, including the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G version, which is my own personal device. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up and share this video on all your social media, including OnePlus groups and forums. Until next time, I'm Techzilla saying take care and peace.